is going to show you how to run a spider or a web scraper with Scrapey. Okay, so here I am in my terminal, and the first thing I do in this project is I turn on my virtual environment. So for me, that's work on Documenters Aggregator. Okay, so work on is the virtual env wrapper command, and Documenters Aggregator is the name of my virtual environment. If you're using Docker, then you don't need to do this. You might do something like open a Docker shell or use Docker run. Okay, and then I'm going to go into my project folder. So for me, I've kept it here. Okay, and then I'm just going to call Scrapey. That's the name of our package. Crawl is a command that Scrapey understands. And then we've already built a spider called Chai School Actions. So you can see that. So here I also have interactive browser open. You can see there's a Documenters Aggregator folder, the spiders, and here we have the Chai School Actions spider. Okay, so I'm going to run it. You need an internet connection to be able to do this. Okay, cool. So we got a lot of information. At the bottom here we can see there were 33 items scraped. There were 37 debug messages, 7 info messages. If I had error messages, it would be here also. You can start to see here some of the scraped events that we got. They come in dictionary or JSON form. So we scraped an event, it has an ID, has a name, it has a description. Down here there's a start time here. All the things that we told the spider to scrape. So that's all there really is to it. If you want to run one of the spiders that's already built, it's just Scrapey, crawl, and then the name of the spider. For a little bit more conceptually, what happened here, okay, so here's a diagram I made to show what happens when you call Scrapey, crawl, Chai School Actions. So when you're on the internet, an HTTP request goes out to this website. So Chai School Actions is the name of the spider, and it knows to go to this URL. That's a picture of the URL. And it brings back a response object, which is going to let you interact with HTML tags. So here, like a head tag, a title tag. And then what our code does is we write code in these parse functions to parse this response object into this well-formatted information that we want that's in JSONs or dictionaries.